a time, there were 6 warriors. Stripes, Ramsey, Cleo, Yang, Potion, and Molly. The other cats stared at them because they're not cats. Because this is a weird cat. And yeah. So why are you guys staring at me? Because you're not even a cat? And we're a cat. So what is the big deal of you being here? Yeah. You know, maybe I should leave. Come on, Marcel. But we worked so hard to do this. We can win $100,000. Yeah, let's just go on a TV show or something. These the losers are like gonna. Oh no, Whiskers! Don't grab my brains out. How do you like me now, doggy pet? Shut the front up. What did you say to me? Shut up. Get him, Tiger Paw. Get off me! You freak! What is wrong with you? Luckily, there was a kitten in the mud. Taking a bath. Mud is my lotinity. Who's up there? Let's see if I can jump high enough now to see. What the heck was that? Meow! Oh, another cat. Hey, little kitty pet. What's a kitty pet? You're a cat and you're a pet, so yeah. I don't want to call her. I'm a poor cat. What? You were like laying in that. I was like laying in that mud, so yeah. You want to be a warrior? What do you mean, warrior? You want to get $100,000? Come defeat us. Yeah! Yeah! Oh my God, you're strong. Okay, I give up. Oh my God, you're a strong kitty pet. You know what? You would make a great warrior to replace Tiger Paw. You know what? Maybe I should. Sucker. I was acting that she was strong, but I'm actually stronger than her. Great potion. Wait, replace me? I'm strong, so why are you replacing me then? Huh? Because you're a heart, you know. So yeah. Okay, that's you. Betrayed me! Kitty cat, wow! Ba 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 ba. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Let's go war. Ow! Okay, I'll count down. Because I'm going to be in war too. You're going to be in the war. Ah, bumblebee! Oh my God, there was a bumblebee. There's a freaking bumblebee. I'm out of here. Let's go, warriors! Yeah! You son of a biscuit! Yes, go! I'll go first! I'm going in the woods! I'm going in the woods! Where you're going in the yes! I can go in the woods if I want! Well, we're gonna beat her up, so let's go to the forest too. You can do it. You know what? I hate them cats. Maybe I shouldn't go there. You know what? Zebra, whatever guys, I'm Stripes, I'm Marcel, I want to be in your team. What? Yeah, because you guys are like selfish, and I'm gonna protect that cat. No, you won't. Not before I can do it. Not before. They're gonna be on my team. No, you shut up. You! No, you! Come here, brother! No, team, I'm going first. Okay. Heh, heh, heh. Heh, heh, heh. Heh, heh, heh. The forest is over there, so let me go there. It's a short forest. Part 2 coming soon.